Roll sound. Sound rolling. Roll cameras. Everyone rolling?
Rolling.
Okay, I'm going to do a few slates because we got some in different spots. And one just for good luck. Ah! Okay. All right, here we go. Just a little introduction. This song is about our cat, and our cat was struck by lightning and. Sorry. It's the story of Manfreda cat. She loves to go outside. Electric storm was coming. She had nowhere to hide. Ran and climbed a tree, which you should never do. Thunderclap come down, a lightning bolt of blue. 200 million gigawatts ran our kitty through. Used up another life. It's only number 2. Track you, and if she finds you, she might attack you. But if man zap you, gonna zap you, look out, it's gonna hurt. The first time she zaps you, takes you by surprise. Second time she zaps you, right between the eyes. Third time she zaps you, feels like you're gonna die. Better run and hide if you wanna stay alive. Manfreda cat come home. She wasn't quite the same. We watched her for a day or two, then we changed her name. She electrified the stove with her defibrillator paws. Sparks and crackling flame came out her little claws. And when she yawned, a fireball would shock her tiny jaw. Man zap you, gonna track you, and if she finds you, she might attack you. But if man zap you, gonna zap you, look out, it's gonna hurt. The fourth time she zaps you, you think it ain't no thing, but by the fifth time she zaps you, your ears they start to ring. Sixth time she zaps you, really kinda stings. Better run away or you'll need a body sling. Some cats got ticks, other cats got fleas. We've got a cat to charge our batteries. Our guard is always up, the power bill's gone down. Rubber boots and special gloves must be worn when she's around. And when she purrs with the voltage low, it's just the sweetest sound. Now she eats a kibble from a thick ceramic mug, and for dessert she sticks a tail in a 30-ampere plug. The caution tape around our home should be observed and feared. We still have our Manfreda cat, although she's really weird. Man zap you, gonna track you, and if she finds out, she might attack you. But if man zap you, gonna zap you, look out, it's gonna hurt. 7 times she zaps you, your bones break down to mush. 8 times she zaps you, your heart stops with a flush. 9 times she zaps you, your brains are orange crush. Better call a hospital and make that driver rush. Yeah. And this is where the harmonica player would come in. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you, Michael.